Hello, my name is Siddhartha and this video will be about how to make a video. And before I start teaching, I will tell you thank you for two things, and they are thank you for letting me have 10 subscribers, and I only have 7 videos made till now. And the second one is thank you for letting my first video have 93 views. Now, before you start with when we go to the other room, I will first need to tell you it's not just one long video, and so that it looks better, like lots of small videos combine. You need to combine like with a monitor. Okay, so what I'm using is called iMovie. Okay, so click create, go, new movie. Okay, so you film the videos with a phone and then you send it to the hard disk or the laptop if you're using a laptop. Okay, so I'm just dragging the video back, and the same thing to do is with the transitions that we will put later. So I will just drag and drop it, so grab it. Okay, so remember to keep deleting the videos from your phone, otherwise it may take up too much space. Okay, so now I've put the small videos together, and so now we will start to edit the videos. So, and editing means like cut the videos or split the videos for parts that you don't need. Okay, so I'm getting music from YouTube Studio, and it's royalty-free music. And look for audio library. Okay, so let's just start the video with background music. And you will now see that the background music is too loud, so we need to reduce it. So do you see this line here? Just press it. Yeah, 4. So it should be at 4%. Okay, so after putting the music, we put transitions, and this is my favorite part of making a video. So click transitions, this I had put, and here here between the videos, tiny ones, there are spaces without transitions, and that's why I put them. So okay, I will make transitions. So for the top, I will put this transit for front. I mean, so let's just put the transition. So press with your thumb the side here, and then just use your finger next to it like a gun, kind of, but like this, and press with the thumb, and then do this. Okay, that's how you put the transitions. So if you're happy with editing the video, you can upload it into YouTube. Okay, so later I will make a video about like music and more, so that it will become easier to make the video. If you subscribe, you can see the other videos, and see you in the next videos. Bye.